Alright, so we set up this morning, first morning of the 4th week of turkey season here in Wisconsin. This bird came in within the first hour, came running in from behind us, so we didn't get footage of him running in, but ran right up close to the decoys here, started strutting, then walked around the Jake, and as soon as he was facing me, took him right at the base of the neck and he just tipped over. I mean, everything worked out absolutely perfect, couldn't have gone better. It's the first morning of my hunt, and we already got a bird down, so got another tag for next week and one for the week after that, so hopefully everything pans out as well. Tried to get video on my Tacticam as well, so I had another shot angle, but someone didn't charge the battery all the way, so needless to say we only have one set of video footage, but reviewing it on the camera, it looked pretty sweet, so excited to see that when we get home.